MK Beauty. Hello MK Beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am Melanie, the creator and owner of Majestic Knowing Beauty. If you have been around for a while, welcome or welcome back. I know I've been MIA, it's been a while, but nonetheless, I am here, I am alive, and I am well. I know I last left off with YouTube videos during Vlogmas. Vlogmas was a lot. Posting, editing, uploading every day, it was a lot. It was never my intentions to be gone this long. And just for reference, today is March 10th. Oh my God, it is March 2025, right? Yeah, so it's been a while since I last posted a YouTube video. Recently, I did share, I think 1 or 2 shorts, if I'm not mistaken, so you can check those out. But yeah, just an update. What's been going on? Where have I been? Life has been lifing, all the things. Well, nonetheless, go ahead, sit back, relax, get you some coffee, tea, beverage of your choice. I'm having some water in my Starbucks tumbler. I already had my coffee, so let's get into it. All right, as I stated, it is now March 10th, 2025, and drum roll. It's my birthday week. This week is my birthday. I am overly excited. I am so happy. I'm so thrilled. I love birthdays. I love celebrating birthdays. I've been celebrating my birthday the entire month for so long. My mom kind of started this whole ritual of celebrating and observing your birthday for the entire month. So I have definitely kind of coined that as my own and do the same. But nonetheless, this is my birthday week, which means it hits a little differently. But yeah, so what has been going on? Let's see. Vlogmas. I was doing Vlogmas, and I actually have content that I was filming during Vlogmas. I just never took the time to upload that footage and share it. I don't know, maybe I'll do it in this video just to, you know, kind of show some behind the scenes of what was going on, like the week of Christmas, Christmas Day, and so forth. But nonetheless, yeah, Vlogmas was a lot. Hello MK Beauties, I hope you can hear me. I am in Albany, Georgia with the fam, and we are sitting at Applebee's eating. It is Christmas Eve, so by the way, happy Christmas Eve. So yeah, the cousin called me out. He was like, where the camera at? You in Albany, you're supposed to be, you know, vlogging this. So I figured I'd go ahead and introduce the Vlogmas and have the family, because the last time you saw the family, last time you saw the family was at our Tuzzle weekend when he came in town for the Atlanta and Falcons game. But anyway, here go the family. Family.
I'm just trying to eat my food, man. You don't call me, man.
Brandy. And husband. All right, y'all. That's the family. All right, we're going to see what we get into when we get home. Because right now, he claimed he's trying to eat, but really he's trying to turn up. This like the pregame.
You said you sleepy?
I am sleepy, but he's trying to turn up. So I guess it's like the pregame until, you know, until late. But anyway, we'll see how the night goes. All right. They're trying to act like they embarrassed with my light, y'all. Look at his face.
Passion fruit juice. Passion fruit. Pineapple.
Is it good?
Passion fruit juice. No alcohol. 0 alcohol. We don't do alcohol up here.
Now y'all know better. All right, MK Beauties. Merry Christmas. I'm in the kitchen with Brandy. Brandy, she don't want me to do nothing, y'all. I asked her what's up with that. Brandy.
Ain't nothing to do.
She saying nothing to do. She ain't here about to put that good old Louisiana gumbo together. Gumbo is on the Christmas menu for today. Let's see. She got the sausage going. She got the gumbo, the roux going. And she got that chicken over there. Got some okra. And that's about it, huh?
Shrimp in the refrigerator.
Shrimp in the refrigerator. Look at the cook. Say hey.
I thought you was the cook.
You don't want me to do nothing. See how she playing, y'all? See how she playing?
She said she don't cook in another woman's kitchen.
I sure did say that. But since we family, I would. Since we family, I sure would. I get up in here and stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. All right, y'all. I'm just gonna be here for moral support. There go the fellas over there, tuned into a movie. You know, I am new to this whole YouTube vlogger, YouTube content creator. I'm new to this. So, although I've had my YouTube page for a very long time, it is a lot of work. It's a lot of work to be a YouTuber, to capture content, to plan out, strategize, you know, what it is that you want to share, how you want to impact your YouTube community, how you go in and edit, have your upload dates, finding out what dates work for you with your upload dates, where do you get your engagement on most days. It is a lot. It's a lot of strategizing and planning. And the way my life's set up with so many other, you know, things that I have going on, creative thoughts that I have in my mind, I don't necessarily take the time to plan out and strategize as I should. But that is something that I am working on and I'm trying to implement. But yeah, so that just took a lot. And then January came and it was like, whoa, January. Good morning, MK Beauties. Happy New Year. Today is Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. I am currently in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, sitting at a medical facility with my mom, and she is getting ready to have rotator cuff surgery on her right shoulder. Yeah, what a way to start off the new year. Being home with my mom as she prepared for surgery. Would you like to say hi, Mom?
Hi.
She act like she camera shy. Got Papa J over there. Daddy, you want to say hey? You want to say hey?
Hey.
Y'all know he ain't shy. But at any rate, just wanted to say hello and just kind of document this moment, this time, this journey as we go through this procedure with Mama, as well as her recovery process. Her recovery is scheduled for 12 weeks. I will be back and forth during that 12-week time to help her as she recovers. So I'll be home for 2 weeks now, and then I'll fly back home for a week, see some clients, do some work, and then I'll be back. But yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
I hope everyone has had a great start to the new year. I hope everyone has definitely set out on a quest to achieve the goals that they have set for 2025. And if you're like me, you probably don't really have any goals just yet. You're still formulating those thoughts in your mind, trying to figure out what exactly you want to conquer during this 2025 year. But no worries, just take your time. It's only 7 days into the new year. Don't feel the pressure to have a game plan just yet. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on and say hello, good morning, and Happy New Year. And I will check in with you guys later. So I'm not one that actually starts out the new year in January saying, you know, what are my goals? What are my plans for the new year? I don't really set out with my January as in, these are my goals. This is what I want to strategize to. This is what I want to do. I'm still figuring it out during that time. I don't necessarily go with the whole new year, new me, you know, all of that. I don't knock anyone who does. By all means, if that works for you, great. Continue to do so. But for me, I'm still strategizing and figuring out, what did I accomplish for the year? What do I want to project for the year ahead? And so I sit in those thoughts and I plan and I come up with, what it is that I want to do for the year ahead. I also set out in January to start preparing for corporate 21 days of prayer and fasting with my church. So during that time, I'm usually just figuring things out. I'm waiting to see how do I feel? What's my heart? Where's my mind? I'm doing a brain dump to figure out what have I accomplished and where do I want to go within this next year? How am I feeling? Am I feeling energized, recouped? Do I feel like I want to, take on more? Do I feel like I just want to maintain with what I set out to achieve the current year? I'm going through that physical mindset.
Sun shining on my head.
And then when March comes, this is when I call my blooming season. This is the season that I'm ready to pop out and bloom with all of the strategizing and thought and internal thoughts and processes that I've taken the time to do for myself between December, January, and February. So the energy is here. The energy is good. I'm looking forward to, to 2025. Like I said, January came and that was still a moment where I was just going through my process, having my prayer and fasting time. And I also had to travel a little bit, do a lot of back and forth between home and Atlanta to help, help my mom. She had surgery. All is well. She's doing well. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, so I did a lot of traveling in January. February came and I don't know, February was almost like a blur. I feel like I was in hibernation, still strategizing and figuring things out. Now, in between that time, I did have, small work engagements here and there, as far as different shoots, different clients that I was servicing for that time frame. So I had a few things that were taking place within January and February. And then, like I said, here we are in March. So it's my blooming season. It's my season to pop out and just flourish in everything that I've been planting inside of myself. I do have some things that I am working on that will be birthed this year. So I'm looking forward to a lot. So I just wanted to basically just give a quick little update just to say, I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but nonetheless, all is well. I am present. I am alive. But let me say this as well. If you have been on YouTube and, been like, hey, where's Melanie? Follow me on IG. My IG is MK Beauty. And I am definitely active in my stories every day. Every day I'm active in my stories. I have shared posts and reels from work that I've been doing. So yeah, so follow me on IG if you are not already following me on IG. And you can follow me on TikTok. I know there has been different, things taking place with TikTok, but I'm slowly trying to get acclimated to TikTok. I think I've shared maybe like one post so far. And maybe one story. I don't know if TikTok is similar to IG, but that story has probably expired by now. But nonetheless, I have a post. But if you go ahead and follow me on IG and TikTok, which my TikTok is MK Beauty as well. If you let me know that, you're following me over there, I'll try to definitely put in more engagement time on TikTok as well for the amount of time that it may still be here. Nonetheless, like I said, all is well. I hope all is well with you. I hope this first quarter of 2025 that you have been great, you have been well, you have been living out some of your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams. And just remember, you know, I'm all about all things beauty, but self-care and motivation, empowerment, encouragement is the first priority, because what we feed into ourselves and how we show up for ourselves is what resonates on the outside. Okay. So I hope you are affirming, you know, yourself every day, speaking life into yourself, taking time to pray, have your devotional time, fast, do your meditation, work out, do your skincare, drink your water, do all the things that you need to do for self first, and then that would resonate on the outward. So yeah, that's pretty much the reason why I pulled out the camera to pop in and just give a quick update. Yeah, so I plan to actually have more content, you know, do more filming for this year and be consistent. But y'all cover me in prayer. Make sure you cover me in prayer for consistency when it comes to YouTube. Because this is a labor of love. Kudos to the girls that can do this every day, all day. But nonetheless, yes, that's it. So, you know, I cannot leave without reminding you of Psalms 139. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are his works. I'll see you next time, MK Beauties. Bye.
MK Beauty.